Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2015 Indian Chieftain. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2015 Indian Chieftain with 71,979 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated seats, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and has been upgraded with RC exhaust mufflers, an Indian Stage 1 intake, a Corbin seat, a rider backrest, tank pouch, engine heat shields, and an engine cover. Powered by a 111 Thunderstroke V-twin engine, the Chieftain puts 119 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 5.5-gallon fuel capacity, the Chieftain has a 150 to 180 mile range. It has a 26-inch seat height and an 848-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 14 volts, the front tire at 5/30 seconds, and the rear at 4/30 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. Our technician noted a slight front brake pulsation. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. The rear fender trim is broken, and there's a blemish on the saddlebag lid. This bike has an owner's manual and one fob, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold wholesale as is. It received a safety inspection, documentation about its condition, and a detail. It is being sold without a warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.